Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Tinkle before you. Om Birla has been elected as the Speaker of Lok Sabha after a voice note in the lower house of the Parliament on Wednesday. The 18th Lok Sabha witnessed a rare contest for the Speaker post on Wednesday between the Bharatiya Janata Party's Om Birla and Korikunil Suresh of the Congress after the National Democratic Alliance, the NDA government and the India group of the opposition parties failed to arrive at a consensus. Prime Minister Narendra Modi moved the motion to elect Birla as the Lok Sabha Speaker on Wednesday. The motion to appoint Suresh as Speaker was moved by Shiv Sena UBT MP Arvind Sawant. The motion moved by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and seconded by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh was adopted by the House through a voice note. The House echoed with yes and no's, and the pro-tem Speaker Bharat Ruhari Mehtab declared Om Birla as the Speaker of the lower house. The opposition, which had filed K. Suresh as the Speaker candidate of the India bloc, did not press for a division vote. Leader of the opposition Rahul Gandhi also extended wishes to Birla and accompanied him to the chair along with Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. After the India bloc fielded K. Suresh as its candidate, the appointment of a speaker became interesting as the election was held for the first time in the decades. Traditionally, the Lok Sabha Speaker and the Deputy Speaker are elected through mutual consensus between the ruling party and the opposition party of the lower house of the parliament. The contest between BJP's Om Birla, a three-time MP from Rajasthan's Kota, and Korikunil Suresh, an eight-term parliamentarian from Kerala's Mavelikara, came to the NDA and refused to accept the opposition India bloc's demand that Deputy Speaker's position be left for the opposition in exchange for its support to the NDA nominee. The NDA, which commands 293 MPs in the 543-member Lok Sabha, was able to demonstrate its clear majority to ensure that Om Birla returns to the position of Lok Sabha Speaker. The first session of 18th Lok Sabha began on June 24 and will conclude on July 3. The 264th session of Rajya Sabha will commence on June 27 and conclude on July 3rd. On June 27, President Draupadi Murmu is scheduled to address a joint sitting of both houses of the parliament. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.